this video, I'll be showing how to do the lecture exercise we did today in Excel. We can see that we have the table from class so that we have the potential airport sites A and B, the price of land near each of those sites, the future cash flows if the airport and hotel are built at those sites, or alternatively, if the land is purchased and then has to be sold again because the airport will not be built at that location, what the PV of those future values would be as well. From this information, the first thing we did was create a payoff table. First, we need to structure our payoff table with decisions in either the rows or columns and outcomes in the opposite row or column. So for decisions, I have them set up as rows. So our decisions, as listed in the question, where we could either buy at A only or buy at B only, buy at both A and B, or buy nothing at this time. Our outcomes are the things that we don't have any control over that will affect our payoffs. So in this case, it's where the airport will be built. So this will be airport built location. So the airport will be built at either A or B. Now for the payoffs. If I build at A only, let's start right here. If I build at A only, what that's going to cost me is going to be the current purchase price of 12. So I write that as negative 12. Now, how much will I gain? Well, this is at buying at A and the airport's built at A. So I would end up building the hotel as well. So I'm going to add the 23. Alternatively, I would be buying at A. So again, it would be minus the 12 million for buying at A. But this time the airport would be built at B, meaning I would sell the plot of land and only get 4 million back. So I would have negative 8 million. Now, if I bought at B, I would have the purchase price for B of negative 18 million. Plus, now in this case, the airport would be built at site A, so I would be reselling the land at the reduced price of 6. Again, here I've chosen to buy at B, so that would be negative 18, or negative D4 in this case. Plus, now in this case, the airport would be built at B, so I would build the hotel and potentially get the 31 million. Now, buying at both A and B means that I would be having the negative 12, so don't forget that negative sign, minus the 18 million for B. Plus, now in this case, I would have had the hotel built at A for the 23 million, because I'm at airports being built at A, and then I would have resold the land at B for 6 million, leaving me with a loss of 1 million. Again, buying at both B and A, I would have the negative 12 minus the 18. Plus, now in this case, we would be having the airport at B, so I would sell the land at A for the reduced 4 million. Plus, for B, I would build the hotel and get 31 million. And if I do nothing, what I get is $0 each time. You don't win, you don't lose. And that's how I would construct my payoff table in Excel.